Now the hatch actually has several hatches. It's got 3, and they each give you a certain amount of access. You can definitely crawl down in there without taking the whole deck off, but it is one large hatch that comes off with 3 hatches built into it. We had to take both the seats out and the back of one of the seats in order to get that full deck out, because it is all the way to the edges. But this at least gives us plenty of room. This is a twin engine boat. The engines have been converted before we got it to fuel injection. It does have a generator, hot water heater, and there is an air conditioner on board. So for the most part, this boat's going to tick all of our requirements. We'll have power on board. We'll have air conditioning. We'll have twin engines, which Charlie insisted on. Now this does have the Y valve for overboard dumping of the black water. We are definitely going to tie that down and lock it, because it is illegal not to in the United States inland waterways. This boat actually has a, well, I believe this is actually an ice maker. Yes. I was going to say refrigerator at first, but then I remembered. There's not a lot of electronics on this boat. It did come with a nice place to put a chart plotter. I don't think we're actually going to buy a real chart plotter. I think we're probably going to go with a tablet and some software. But otherwise, at least the helm looks like it's in pretty good shape. Far better shape than the one on the Ultra, which we rebuilt. But we shouldn't need to do that on this one. There's good access to the front deck, handrail and step even. Right now, we've got the seats stored down in the main compartment. I'll show you this. There are, let's see, that cushion right there usually lays here. There's definitely access to the bilge. It's starting to smell a little musty in here. We need to get the dehumidifier up and running. But otherwise, the interior is in pretty good shape. I'm not too worried that we'll have any trouble with it. We got some cleaning to do, because it's been, sitting outside with no cover over it. For over a year now. Let's see, the galley's got a single eye electric stove, which I'm a little uncomfortable with. I would prefer to have a nice alcohol stove that does not require the use of our batteries or being hooked up to a marina. It's got a microwave, which, that's just an add-on. Let's see here. Space with... I'm not sure what that's exactly for. But it's got a refrigerator, of course. Plenty of storage space here. Oh boy. Some of these are not quite... I wasn't expecting to find actual dishes. Wow. I guess I'm going to have to oil that one or something. But the electricals are a little weird. I think the original Microwave stayed in there. I'm going to try to see if that's a possible redo. Good storage over there. Big storage under here. Lots of room up front. Here's our electrical cabinet. Pretty good setup there. Shouldn't have any problem. Anchor and winch control. You know, I hadn't even noticed that till now. Well, I hadn't noticed the dishes either, so. It's more interested in structural and electrical and mechanical stuff when we inspected it. Lots of room back here. Although the Ultra did have an actual door to the back cabin. It was literally an actual cabin. And I'm going to miss that. But at least there's plenty of room. In fact, I think it's... Gosh. I may have messed myself up here. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Now, let's see. The head's in pretty good shape. I love that it's all self-contained and fiberglass all the way around. The Ultra did have materials in it that can rot, and you know, a hand-built cabinet in it for the sink, and that was a source of concern. But looks like this one shouldn't be so much of a problem. I do believe this is an electric macerator flushing toilet, which, you know, great as long as it works. But in this this handle acts, you know, for the shower, and I think we're going to actually enjoy the living daylights out of this boat once we get it up and running. All right, that's it for now.